Hey, Seth Miranda here for Adorama TV in the beautiful Long Island City to take a really quick look at the Fujifilm XT200. With an updated sensor at 24.2 megapixels APS-C, it can do high frame rates at 8 frames per second while shooting stills. And we're also updated on the ports. We have USB-C now, which is awesome, especially for anyone with Macs going USB-C to USB-C. We used to have just a pop-out screen, but now we have a fully articulating screen, which is awesome for vlogging, especially since the video now is 4K 30 frames per second. So I'm here in the Adorama NYC store and I have the screen flipped out towards me so I can see what I'm doing. I have AFC on as well as face and eye detect going, so wherever I'm going, it's keeping me in focus. We're in 4K 30 frames per second and you were listening to the onboard microphone. So we're gonna switch over to a Rode Go Lab so you can hear the difference in your audio options, but this is right out of the camera onboard microphone. Let's go switch over and see what it sounds like. So I've switched over to the Rode Go Lab because I have a 3.5 audio input on this camera. Before we were listening to the in-camera microphone, and now I have an option for whatever mic I want to put into this. Then I'm going with this Rode Go because it's small, low profile, great for vlogging, keeps this entire kit really small and compact, so it's really perfect for travel and putting out content without having a big footprint in your bag. So I want to thank Fujifilm for letting me walk around with the XT200 with the XC 35mm f2 lens. I had a lot of fun with it, super small, very easy entry-level camera with some great colors, right? Fujifilm is famous for their colors on their sensor, along with their film simulations, right? So you have a lot of creativity, you have a lot of options here, vlogging to stills. So if you have any questions for me about this camera, write me with a comment down below, hit like, share this video around, and we will see you guys next time.